Hello friends and students. We from PDA College of Architecture, Akurdi have started a YouTube channel and the main aim of today's video is architectural entrance, Nata, and its related information and query. Today we will have to discuss about architectural admissions and the basic requirement from it. DTE, that is Directorate of Technical Education, Maharashtra, prepares guidelines for architectural admissions under the guidance of Council of Architecture, that is COA. So in this Nata, there are two main guidelines. So what are these guidelines? We looked at it. The student should qualify 12th exams with a stream of science with 3 specific subjects, that is physics, chemistry and mathematics. The second one is National Aptitude Test in Architecture, that is Nata, an entrance exam which is compulsory and that should be qualified with the qualifying score 70 out of 200 marks. Friends and students, now let's see the steps to fill the Nata form. In Google search engine, you need to type Nata registrations and click on the first link that appears, that is Nata Aptitude Test in Architecture. Home page. The new web page will open. So now let's have a look at the brochure. The important data in it is the dates. That is the brochure of 2023. So in 2023 it is seen that Nata exam will be taken thrice. The first Nata exam will be on 21st April, the second on 28th May and the third on 9th July, which will have 125 questions with 200 marks. Now we will see how to register for Nata form. After the page will open, click on New Registrations. A form will open where you need to fill your personal details. In the personal details, you need to fill the name, the middle name and the last name, your gender, your date of birth, the mobile number, your email ID, and you need to set a strong password, and later you need to answer a security question. After all this, click on submit. Then you need to add your father's name, your mother's name and the category which you belong to. For how many times you need to appear Nata? Either you need to appear Nata once, twice or all 3 times. Exam slots of Nata, that is you have morning slot and afternoon slot. Your nationality and your place of residence, that is your detail address. The next you have to fill is your ID proof details and your corresponding address. After this all is done, then click on check and proceed. After that, a page will open which will ask you to upload your documents. In the document section, we have 2 main documents, that is your photograph and signature with the given sizes and dimensions. Then click to confirm and submit. You will now get an online application form. Check your details and all the necessary things in it and click on I agree. Then you will get a payment gateway where you need to pay your exam fees. And that's it. Now it is done. Now let's understand how is the admission procedure to architecture. In Google search engine, you need to type CET cell. After you click the home page link, a portal will appear. CAP portal admissions for academic year 2023. After you click on the link, a web page opens which on the left side will display the undergraduate course, that is B Architecture. As you click on B Architecture, a web page will open which will display its schedule. You now need to register and fill the form. Currently, the website shows details of previous years. As you are done with your Nata exams and admissions, procedure will start. This page will update and we will now make a new video on the admission procedure once it is started later. So students and friends, as you have viewed the entire video, we hope you are cleared with your doubts regarding Nata exams and admissions. Hereafter, we'll upload many informative videos on our channel. So stay tuned with us. If you have any queries related to admissions, you can ask us in the comment box, or you can also visit our college, that is PDA College of Architecture in Akurdi. We'll surely guide you for the same. Thank you students and friends. We'll surely meet you soon in the next video.